Check the evaporator coil by inspecting airflow, surface frost, and cooling performance. Start by turning the system off at the thermostat and the service disconnect to ensure safety before accessing the coil. Locate the evaporator coil, usually inside the air handler or attached to the furnace above the blower, and open the access panel to visually inspect the coil surface and surrounding drain pan. Look for visible dirt, dust mats, oily films, or biological growth on the finned surface, and check whether air is struggling to move through the return vents or if the system runs but cooling drops. Use a flashlight to see down between the fins. If you can clearly see light through the coil, it is likely clean, but a dark gray or brown film indicates contamination. For a quick functional check, feel the suction line a few inches from the coil. A cold line with ice patches or unusually low temperature can indicate restricted airflow from a dirty coil. Keep a soft bristled fin brush and a wet-dry vacuum handy for light maintenance, and plan for a deeper clean when debris resists basic brushing. The three most common mistakes are using too much water or a garden hose in an enclosed air handler that can flood the blower and cause electrical or mold issues, relying only on filter changes without checking the coil itself, which lets fine dust and oils accumulate, and using harsh household chemicals that strip protective coatings or damage aluminum fins, which shortens coil life. Avoid spraying water directly if you cannot route drainage, inspect and clean the coil during scheduled service visits, and use only cleaners labeled for evaporator coils. Another frequent issue is bent fins that restrict airflow, easily corrected with a fin comb used gently along the fin direction to restore passageways. Finally, people often skip safety and leave power connected, which risks electric shock and fan damage, so always cut power and confirm the system is de-energized before touching internal components. On BigHomeProjects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide practical project guidance related to coil maintenance and overall HVAC care. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.